How to fix Xbox 360 internet connection problem.
Hey there, Xbox 360 gamers. Are you facing issues with your internet connection on your console? Don't worry, I'm here to help. In this video, I'll guide you through some troubleshooting steps to fix your Xbox 360 internet connection problem. So let's get started.
Check network hardware.
The first thing you should do is check your network hardware. Make sure that your modem and router are properly connected and powered on. Check the Ethernet or Wi-Fi cables to ensure they are securely plugged in. Sometimes a loose connection can cause internet problems.
Restart your console.
If you're still experiencing issues, the next step is to restart your Xbox 360 console. Simply press and hold the power button on the front of the console for about 10 seconds until it shuts down completely. Wait for a few seconds, then turn it back on. This can help resolve temporary glitches that may be affecting your internet connection.
Check network settings.
Let's dive into the network settings on your Xbox 360. Go to the Settings menu on your console and select System. From there, choose Network Settings. Here, you have a couple of options. Option 1. Wired connection. If you're using a wired connection, make sure the Ethernet cable is securely connected to both your console and the router. If it's already connected, try using a different Ethernet cable to rule out any potential issues with the cable itself. Option 2. Wireless connection. For those using a wireless connection, ensure that your Xbox 360 console is within range of your Wi-Fi router. Check if there are any physical obstructions or interference sources that could be affecting the signal.
Clear system cache.
Sometimes, a corrupted system cache can interfere with your Xbox 360's internet connection. To fix this, go to the Settings menu, select System, and then choose Storage. Highlight your storage device and press the Y button on your controller. Select Clear System Cache and confirm the action. Be aware that this process will not delete any game saves or other important data.
Port forwarding.
If you're still encountering connection problems, you might need to perform port forwarding on your router. Port forwarding allows certain data to pass through specific ports, which can improve your Xbox 360's online connectivity. To do this, you'll need to access your router's settings. Check your router's manual or visit the manufacturer's website for instructions on how to perform port forwarding.
Contact your internet service provider, ISP.
If all else fails, it's time to reach out to your internet service provider, ISP. There might be an issue with your internet service that they need to address. Contact their customer support and explain the problem you're facing with your Xbox 360 internet connection. They should be able to guide you further and provide specific troubleshooting steps tailored to your setup. Congratulations! You've made it through the troubleshooting steps to fix your Xbox 360 internet connection problem. Remember, always check your network hardware, restart your console, and review your network settings. If necessary, clear the system cache and consider port forwarding. And don't hesitate to reach out to your ISP for assistance. I hope this video has been helpful to you. Happy gaming!